According to street Mandarin Guy 78, Rufino chatted online with a decoy who told him he was 13.
Yeah! Spin it!
Spin it, Chooch! Spin it, Chooch!
Yeah!
Good work, Chooch.
Give me 5! Let's do some tricks! Are you tapering? Sit. Sit. Good boy. Lie down. Lie down.
Are you?
No. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah. Come on. Come on. Good boy. Chooch, come. Come.
And despite his suspicions,
No?
Rufino decides to come to the
Come on.
undercover house.
Hi.
Okay.
Yeah. Go see Dad. Dave, come on.
Chooch, come on, we're watching To Catch a Predator.
Brian, I've got some ideas for him.
Uh-oh.
You know,
Get out of there, Brian.
once a year.
They're coming to get you. I'm gonna get you.
Chooch,
I'm gonna get you.
all he wanted to do was have sex with a 13-year-old.
I'm gonna get you. Ooh. I'm gonna get you. Ooh, Charlie. Hairball.
Fargo Beach today.
Rufino tells the investigator he has 2 small
Sit.
children at
Sit.
home that
Sit.
are on the way.
Good boy. Lie down. Lie down. Charlie, lie down. Lie down. No, sit. Sit. Lie down. Lie down. Charlie, good boy.